Hey, it's Dave here from Nixon Electrics, just touching base and providing a bit of a testimonial in my experience with Lana software. So we've been using Lana for approximately 12 to 14 months now. Lana's changed our whole business, all our processes, a job management, quote, follow-up procedures, social media posting, list goes on, to be honest. So we use simPRO. We're in a pretty big way back when we first started with Lana. But I can't credit the software enough for how much it's streamlined our processes and made our admin world and our whole system run so much better, pretty much immediately. The support on the back end. So first off, the overall creation and help with the whole workflow process inside Lana with their support team was great, and ongoing support's been pretty awesome as well. So yeah, basically we're a team of 18 at the moment, completing around 100 to 130 service jobs, basically based in aircon and electrical. So yeah, but I'd highly recommend the software to anyone of any sort of business size. If you're looking to scale and organise your current operations, this is a software that I've never seen before, to be honest, and the integration with simPRO and other softwares makes it stand out from the rest. So yeah, definitely have a go, get on board and get in touch with support. Thank you.